Hi, it's Betsy, your favorite burst ambassador, and today I am doing a video for Burst because they have challenged some of their ambassadors to do a plaque index challenge, which means I have had to go 24 hours without brushing or flossing, and oh, the thought just kills me. But honestly, since I do use Burst every day, it doesn't feel that bad. My little back is a little fuzzy, but I still feel pretty clean up front. So to see how much plaque has built up over the last 24 hours, I have some handy dandy disclosing solution, and I'm going to paint my teeth pink, and where you see the pink is where there is plaque collecting over the last day of no brushing, no flossing. Blah. So let me glove up and let's do this. It is nice and pink. Ah. Oh, yeah, that's where it's hiding. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I thought it felt a little fuzzy back there with my pink teeth. So, oh, I just took a picture of my desk. Up the nose there. That's attractive. Oh God, I look like a horse. Ah, that's not good. Well, that's horrifying, but I think it works. Yeah. Let's brush. All right, I have my Burst wonderfully whitening toothpaste. It has a nice soft mint flavor. It's not overwhelming, and it's very creamy. Oh, cap, the cap is secure because this stuff, it's got a nice flow to it. A little pea size is all you need. Even that kind of looks like too much from the camera. Eh, not too bad. You don't have to do the whole brush. A pea is all you need. Let's burst. Spread it around. Oh, I forgot to do my black index. Oh, hang on. I messed up. Okay, so I disclosed all my plaque after 24 hours of not brushing. Oh, and I recorded all the places that the disclosing agent revealed that are carrying plaque now because I did not use proper home care. Oh no. So each tooth has 4 surfaces, and that totals 112 surfaces with 28 teeth. No wisdom teeth. Yay, get rid of those things. Anyway, so 112 surfaces. 56 surfaces showed plaque after 24 hours of no brushing, for a total of 50% of my tooth surfaces having plaque. Some a little, some a disturbing amount. So yeah, let's get rid of that. Let's see what Burst can do to get rid of that plaque index. Let's do this. Okay, sorry for the pause there. I'm not next to a sink, so I had to get rid of all that pink foam, but look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Feels like I just got out of the hygiene chair. I swear to you, it's not an exaggeration to say that. So yeah, looks like Burst did the job, but let's make sure. I'm going to apply more disclosing solution, and let's be dangerous. We're not going to glove up this time. And I'm going to do another plaque score and see where we're at now that I have used the Burst brush and the wonderfully whitening Burst toothpaste to remove all of that decay and disease causing plaque, not to mention the bad breath that comes with it. All right, here we go. Oh, not a lot of stick. Make sure I got on there. This is coming right off. It's not trying to stay on. Let's go count those surfaces. Okay, so how did Burst do in removing all that plaque that had built up over the course of 24 hours? I think it did pretty good. I went from having 56 surfaces contaminated with plaque down to 8 surfaces. So you'll notice also these surfaces are all in between. Oh, my premolars, it's kind of my trouble spot. And those are floss zones. I haven't flossed either, so I need to floss, get rid of that. My mouth would be plaque free thanks to Burst. So you can't argue with that. I'll post my code with the video and use that to get your Burst brush. Save a lot of money and save your smile. Talk to you later. Bye.